Hey guys, I'm going to try to do this as fast as I can because I know the other videos have been a little lengthy on this. We're going to graph the system of equations and we're going to use this with y equals mx plus b equation. So first, let's draw what we can or see if we can draw it. And like I said, I'm not sure why that is coming up on the screen. It is doing it with all my different pens I'm trying to use. And I'm going to draw it like this. And I know that we have 2x plus 4, so I know my y-intercept is at plus 4. And I'm going to rise 2 and go over 1. Rise 2 and over 1. And if I connect these dots, that is going to be my line. Just so I can be clear on this, I'm not going to do that, but I am going to draw the other one in a different color. Let's use a red. And I know my y-intercept is at 2. And I know my slope is up 1 over 1. So I'm going to go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1. And these are my points, up 1 over 1, up. And we're not going to be able to graph this. I guess we could if we went backwards. So let me go backwards a little bit here. And let me change colors on the pen. And this was up 2 over 1. So I could go over 1 and down 2. Over 1. And why that is not working, I don't know. It was doing that a minute ago, down 2. So it looks like our point of intersection is going to come right here. Let's see if that's correct. Let's just get the old calculator out because it's easier. And it's not as crazy as all this. So we're going to hit y equals, and I'm going to clear all this out of here. In fact, I'm going to hit second plus 7, 1, 2. Clear out my calculator. I'm going to hit y equals. I'm going to put in 2x plus 4. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to put in x plus 2. I'm going to hit second, trace, 5, enter, enter, enter. This might be a little bit different than the other calculator, so I'm going to do it again. Second, trace, and our intersect is 5. The first curve, enter, no, guess. Okay, here's our intersection. So let's see if we were right. And no, I can see the line is coming. Well, this is a mess anyway right here. In fact, I'm going to clear it off because it's not even worth it. And let's get our calculator back up. And we're not going to do this by graphing. We're going to do it by this way. So we put in y equals, we put in 2x plus 4, we put in x plus 2, we hit second, trace, 5, and we know, enter, 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 that our intersection is at -2 and 0. Okay? Let's look at another one. This one, it says, what is the solution of this system? It says use a graph. Well, we're just going to use the calculator because it's too much. I'm not sure what that is, and I don't want to do that. But anyway, let's see, y equals. I'm going to hit negative x minus 3. I'm going to hit enter. And what the heck is all this? I have no idea. Negative x plus 5. Enter. I'm going to hit second trace 5. And there's no solution we can see immediately. See, there's no solution because they are parallel lines. Okay, we're going to hit y equals or second quit. And let's go to the next page. Here's another one. I'm going to hit the calculator. I'm going to hit y equals, and I'm going to hit 3x minus 3. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to hit 9x minus 9. I'm going to hit second trace 5, and I'm going to hit enter, enter, enter. And I can see our point of intersection is when x is 1 and y is 0. When x is 1 and y is 0. That's where they intersect. Let's look at the next one. And says to solve it by graphing. And we can do that, but first we have to get the second equation in y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to move the x, and that gives me negative y equals negative 1 minus 4x. I'm going to divide everything by negative 1 because there's a negative 1 right there. Imagine, well, invisible. Negative 1 here and negative 1 here. So that goes away. We have y equals a negative divided by negative is a positive. And the same over here, negative divided by negative is a positive 4x. Now we can put this in the calculator. So we're going to move that over here, and we're going to hit y equals, we're going to put negative x minus 4, enter, and then we're going to have 1 plus 4x. We're going to hit second trace. Whoops, I hit the wrong one. Okay, I'm not sure what happened. I'm going to hit second trace, and I'm going to put, yeah, we hit number 4. We're going to hit 5. We're going to hit enter, enter, enter. And we can see the intersection is negative 1 and y is negative 3. Let's see what the next one says. Here's the next slide. What is the solution of this system? And it says to use substitution, but we're not even there yet. So we're going to end this here. That'll do it for the examples. Please use your calculator when you can. And thank you for watching.